Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make a delicious veggie omelet, step by step. First, let's gather our essentials. You'll need fresh vegetables such as bell peppers, onions, and spinach. For the eggs, 2 or 3 large ones are perfect for a single serving. Make sure you have a 9-inch nonstick pan, a spatula, and a small bowl. Finally, 1 tablespoon of butter or oil will help everything cook beautifully. Now, let's prepare our flavorful vegetables. Begin by dicing about 1/4 cup of bell peppers and 1/4 cup of onions. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter in your 9-inch nonstick pan over medium heat. Add the diced bell peppers and onions, cooking them for 3 to 5 minutes until they become tender. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup of fresh spinach, letting it wilt for about 1 minute. This creates a wonderful base for your omelet. Next, we'll focus on the eggs. In a small bowl, whisk 2 or 3 large eggs with 1 tablespoon of milk or water until well combined. Season this mixture with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Now, pour the egg mixture evenly over your cooked vegetables in the pan. Let it cook undisturbed for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the edges to set and firm up nicely. This is crucial for a well-formed omelet. We're almost done. Gently loosen the edges of your omelet with a spatula. Continue cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes until the top is mostly set but still slightly moist. Now, carefully fold 1/2 of the omelet over the other, creating that classic omelet shape. Finally, slide your perfectly cooked veggie omelet onto a plate. Serve it immediately and enjoy your delicious, homemade creation. It's a fantastic way to start any day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.